This fine motor activity involves a homemade old puffs container, and I just painted some shapes on the side and put some tape at the bottom. And all he has to do is transfer the dried beans into the container. It's okay, bud, we'll get them later. And this is a great sensory and fine motor activity. And just make sure you supervise watching your toddler, little one, with the small ingredients like this. Good job, buddy. Wow. All right, this is similar to the dried beans activity. Easton just will take one of the colored Pom Poms and drop it into the container in any of the 3 holes. So for this, I just cleaned out thoroughly an old takeout container, and I use an X-Acto knife to cut out 3 holes on the lid. And I actually put tape around it so the edges weren't sharp, and also that way it gives him more of a visual aid on where the Pom Poms can go. It's okay, buddy. It's okay, you still have more. This is also great to use colorful Pom Poms because you can discuss the colors of each Pom Pom as he's dropping it in. That's another green one. You must like the greens. What a fun sensory fine motor skills activity. Wow, buddy, I think I found your favorite color. This next fine motor activity involves straws and an old Puffs container. I just took a Ziploc bag rather than saran wrap, it's a little sturdier, punctured some holes, and I marked them with red, outlining it so it's a little easier to see where to insert the straws. And all they have to do is take the straw and put it inside of each hole. You want to try? Say, this is my first time doing this. Wow, good job, bud. Push it in. You can use any straws, but these ones are the paper straws. They're a little sturdier than the bendable plastic ones. See, they don't bend while I'm squishing them. But either one should work just fine. You want to try? So this is another very simple DIY activity. I just bought some colored scarves and I stuffed an old empty Kleenex box with these scarves instead. And it's really fun because each time he pulls it, there's another color. You can talk about colors. It also works on strengthening his fine motor skills by pulling each one out individually. Oh my goodness, you could also use this activity to count each time you're pulling a scarf out. Wow, great job. Yeah, Easton really enjoys this game. He always does this very, very quickly. Getting too good at this. All right. These are just some homemade maracas, and Easton's stacking them right now. That's another thing you can do with them. I have beads in one, rice, and also some colored gems in this one. I have some more also that we have dried noodles in. You can use some dried beans, anything that makes a little sound that it's small enough to go inside of these Dollar Tree inexpensive containers. I use some decorative duct tape to seal them up, make sure they're sealed very well so that they don't leak open and they accidentally could become a choking hazard. But yeah, we've had these since Easton was really young. I made these and they've lasted quite a while and he still enjoys them. If I'm singing, he'll bring it over to me and shake it so that I'll shake them as I'm singing. So it's really fun for him.